What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here on Demic, and I'm back again today with another video for you guys. So as you know, on this channel I find you high-paying remote job opportunities and side hustles. So as I find them here on the internet, I post them on the channel so you guys can get an idea to see what's out there in the online world and what you can take advantage of. So today's not any different, but I will say though that the opportunity that I have for you today is kind of a unique opportunity, something that I haven't really seen a lot of. So I thought it would be definitely a good one to post here on the channel for you guys to see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it. So what I have for you today is a company called Poplin. Yes, the name of the company is Poplin. So what this company does, it actually allows you to work from home doing laundry for other people. So you could actually make up to $6,000 per month. So yes, you heard that right, doing laundry for other people, where you can make up to $6,000 per month. So let's go ahead and take a look at the website and see how you'd go about doing this. Alright, so I'm on the home page of the Poplin website. Alright, so it says a new kind of gig. Alright, so it says work from home as a laundry pro and earn up to $6,000 a month. So Poplin welcomes service and detailed obsessed people into a career as a laundry pro. It's the perfect gig for a domestic diva or divo who takes pride in their work but wants more. Alright, so let's go on down a little bit. So how it works. Alright, so step one is you sign up and learn. So once you create an account, you'll have access to our best practices videos and a 10-minute getting started guide. Alright, so step number two, accept the jobs that you want. We'll alert you to the jobs in your area and guide you through your first order. It's always up to you when you work. Alright, and step number three, pick up, launder, return, repeat. Start turning laundry piles into perfection and cash. Wash, dry, fold, and return the next day. So those are pretty much the steps of how it works on the Poplin website to become a laundry pro. So as far as what I can see, this basically kind of works on a Uber model, a gig model, where jobs would come into you and you can accept or choose to accept or decline the ones that you want on this platform. So let's go ahead down here and see a little bit more. So it says earn a living on your terms. So laundering at Poplin is flexible and supports your earning goals. Go all in or pick up a load here and there to cover an expense. Alright, so it says average earned by our top 10 laundry pros. So that's $5,800 a month. So that's the average earned by the top 10 of laundry pros is $5,800 a month. So that's definitely a good income monthly. You know, that could definitely help you save towards a new house, pay off some credit cards, or take that vacation that you always wanted. So $5,800 a month is definitely a good goal to work towards. Alright, so then it shows an average earned by our top 100 laundry pros. That's $2,500 a month. So that's earned by the top 100 laundry pros. Alright, and it says earned by you. So this is basically going to be up to you how much money that you want to make using the Poplin website or app. So as you can see, the monthly figures are fluctuating here because that's all dependent on how much you want to work to get those laundry loads cleaned and going out to the customers on time. Alright, so let's go on down here a little bit, and these are just some reviews for people who have signed up and are using the Poplin website and making money. So this is Star H, and she has been a laundry pro since 2021, and her review says working from home has always been a dream of mine, and she rates it a 10 out of 10, as you can see here. Alright, and Ashley M, she has been a laundry pro since 2022. She rates it a 10 of 10. She says, I love the flexibility of working when I want. I can save up for vacation and not have to worry about getting time off work to actually go. And another laundry pro here is Mindy F. They have been a laundry pro since 2022, and she loves being a laundry pro because it allows her the flexibility and time to be the mom she wants to be. Alright, as you can see, they've been featured on NBC, Fox and Friends, ABC, Consumer Affairs, CBS, and Fox Business. So all these highly rated websites have featured this company on their platform. So that just goes to tell you that is a reputable service, and that definitely something you guys should definitely look into. So let me go on a little bit further down here. Alright, so here where it says be a laundry pro, this is where you can sign up, take for a spin. Alright, so let's go into some of the frequently asked questions. Want to know more. Where is Poplin available? Alright, let me just expand that here. Alright, so Poplin is available nationwide in over 500 cities across the US. So you would basically just type in your zip code here and check your area to see if it's available in your area. Alright, and what is the sign up process? So to create an account, you must be 18 years old, eligible to work in the US, and have a way to pick up and deliver orders. You'll also need to upload a photo of your driver's license, enter your social security number, and consent to a background check. You'll have access to our best practice videos, and can start earning right away. Alright, and what are my hours and work area? So that's up to you. You're the boss. So as a contractor in Poplin, you choose whether or not to accept orders and set your radius for receiving order notifications. So basically, you're going to be an independent contractor with Poplin, not an employee. So like I said, it's similar to an Uber model where you could select, you could accept or decline the offers that you want in your given area. Alright, and what materials do I need? So you'll need a smartphone, access to a washer dryer, a mode of transportation for pickup delivery, and few household items you may already have, such as laundry detergent, clear bags to pack folded laundry, labels to adhere to your delivery bags, and a simple bathroom scale to weigh the finished laundry. Alright, and then we go on down to how much can I earn. So we went over that. It shows you the monthly, what you can earn, but this is just a little bit more detail. So it depends on how many orders you accept and how big they are. So pay is calculated based on the weight of finished laundry. The pay for standard next day service is 75 cents a pound of laundry completed plus tips. And the pay for same day service is $1.50 a pound of laundry completed plus tips. And the average earned per order is about $40. So there is a minimum per order of customers, so you always earn at least $15 plus tips per order. And again, our top laundry pros earn over $6,000 a month, and the average top 100 laundry pros is about $2,500 a month. And many laundry pros gig part-time and earn to save for vacation, pay a particular bill, or contribute to a college fund. So those are some of the reasons why the laundry pros decide to sign up with Poplin and start earning. So as I said, guys, this is definitely one of those unique opportunities that I do not see too often, and that's why I decided to post it on the channel here so you guys could take advantage of this. So this is like I said, this is an independent contractor gig, so there isn't a time limit for you to sign up or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description of this video, so you could go ahead and take advantage of this wonderful opportunity and sign up and start earning some money. Alright guys, so I definitely want to thank you for tuning in here with me on the channel Rondemic. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.